Sir, can you keep this?
Yeah, okay. Slides are there? Okay. Yeah, okay. Hello all, very good evening. So, education is not about just degrees. It is about taking the social responsibility towards that. Let me just introduce myself to you all. An IIT Bombay alumnus. Before that, a simple graduate with having a small experience which has driven me long. I would like to share a story before I take it forward regarding my first job experience. One is, after getting selected to my first job as a quality control engineer in one of the industry. That was my first day and I have to step in to my industry. That was early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and my first day into the industry as a quality control engineer. And when I stepped in, there was an AC room in the first floor in my industry, and I went and sat into the room. 10 o'clock, the chairman of the industry have come and he sat in his chamber and he has called me to my official number to my chamber and he has invited me. And I went inside. Mr. Sudheer, please come to my room, he has mentioned, and I went inside. So then he has invited me, welcome Mr. Sudheer, you are there here. And then he has asked me, today's work is, can you please prepare the Molly test report of the inventory that we have in the storeroom. The important point is, anyone have heard about the Molly test before? I hope no. So any branch. So even if I am from mechanical engineering also, I don't know what is Molly test. Really to tell you all. Hope you understood the situation now. It is the first day and after clearing my 7 rounds of interview, I have sat in front of a chairman and he has asked me, can you please prepare the Molly test of the inventory that is there in the storeroom. The biggest point is, I don't know what is Molly test. So I could not say, no, I cannot act in front of him. I have said him that, I have acted in front of him saying that, yes sir. And then I came out. And I called each one of my friend. 15 members I have called. Brother, did you know about the Molly test? Then everyone said, no, we don't know. I have Googled it. Nothing is coming about the Molly test. So those days it was not there in the YouTube also. So what is the situation now? So I have come to the downstairs and there was a worker who is working there. He has done his ITI. And he came in front of me. Then I asked him, I have ordered him. I didn't ask him, I have ordered him, my dear brother, can you please complete the Molly test report by evening and keep it on my table? I have acted and ordered him. And the thing is, he went rushing into the inventory hall. The other person who is running behind him is me, to observe what is happening, what is Molly test report. Here, my dear friends, this gap I have observed with the industries and academia. If I would have got an opportunity to work with to know what is the industry standards before going into the industry, that would have helped me to gain the knowledge. So here I am not speaking about the degrees. I am speaking about the project-based learnings that we need to encourage. Work with the projects. Encourage from the projects. So these projects need to be helpful in such a way that you combine the business at last. Next, not only this, after this I was with the Ministry of Education. Accidentally I went into this Ministry of Education. I have applied on the last minute, at the last minute, which has helped me go through some internship. This internship, it was a small period. For a small period of time, they have given this internship. In this internship, I have got an opportunity to work with the several higher educational institutions. And this has helped me go through the educational institutions from north to south and east to west. And also, then I understood, after working with 1500 plus educational institution under the national project called Swachhata Action Plan, I was the national monitoring officer in coordinating with the state coordinators. And these reports, district-wise, we have consolidated, and I got an opportunity to work with all 700 districts in the country. And this made me to get into the facilitation to the students to go through the project-based learning. Tie up with the industries. Help getting connected to the industries, these industrial projects, to get connected to the students. So that way, as I was connected to the sustainability in the educational institutions, I took some project, as I have to say, internship to entrepreneurship program we have installed, having the students participating. Around 5,000 students have participated in getting this program, taking the projects on the sustainability. If we ask what is project-based learning, the students are not involved in the projects. You ask yourself, are you all connected to any project so far from your second year? Please ask yourself. So take up the projects, complete up the projects. These are all not academic projects we are speaking upon. These are the corporate projects, industrial projects you take upon. How to take up? This journey is very different. So once I went to Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, one of the professor is asking me, sir, how to get the international accreditation to my university? That is what they have asked me. Then I said, sir, we will get back to you. Immediately I have checked in the Google, what is international accreditation? I didn't stop over there. In Google, if you give one space and type it again, whichever service or whichever new word that you have heard, space, companies, you have to type. International accreditation companies, as we type, we will get list of organizations. In that list of organizations, we have sent the letters. I have sent my resumes personally to them. At that time, I got calls from the US and got connected to them. The same way, whichever field you would like to work, whichever projects that you would like to work, don't stop just by typing what is it. You also check what is it and which company is working on it. Check the list of companies. As we check the list of companies, you share your resume to them, you will get an opportunity to work with them. To start your journey, you need to have an option. That option is open for you through this. So, as I have worked with the sustainability projects, I got connected to the sustainability organizations which are from Singapore, like Planet-wise organization. I got connected. And how many of you know what is net zero targets here? You might have heard or not. This is a national goal. Aligning our projects to the national goal. That will help our education into the implementation. So my topic today is about learning to doing. It is about the implementation that we are speaking about. This implementation part involves smaller steps. That smaller steps is connecting to the organizations that you would like to work upon. Either they may be having a product or a service, you can get connected to those type of companies. So this is one of the initiative where in the sustainability program, out of my interest, you can see I have been to the Indian Navy, invited by the Indian Navy officers also, where we have implemented as a part of social responsibility. I have taken the students to the warships also. So these are I would like to add upon another point, that is there is a fundamental duty which speaks about the 51A, Article 51A. This Article 51A speaks about the fundamental duties that every individual, as an individual, how we can get involved in the social responsibility. So it is our responsibility activities which we have implemented in the educational institutions. Around 280 institutions we have involved them. And we have got the responses from the institutions, and not only that, to the services of the different organizations, 3 to 4 dotted points which needs to be arrived. And each journey is different, and this will help you in stepping stone further. These are all project-based learnings that you are going to explore with different companies. So take a big high steps, encourage the project-based learnings in all of you, and encourage the implementation of the 51A from your side. And I would like to give you a best luck for all of your endeavors further. Thank you.